Review my Singing in the Rain dog. I bought this last month, 2 days after the package of Craig Bear arrived. And funny thing, Jemmy God has a Singing in the Rain dog too, which has the same movements as Craig Bear, but this mine doesn't tap its foot or move its arms. Just all it does is just move its head, and the best part is it sings. So I think the arm got snapped off, and then it's the same thing that controls the foot. But here's my Singing in the Rain dog.
Singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling! I'm happy again. I'll walk down the lane with a happy refrain. I'm singing, just singing in the rain. Do 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 do. Singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling! I'm happy again. I'll walk down the lane with a happy refrain. I'm singing, just singing in the rain.
There you got it, guys. See ya, guys. And I'm gonna review the PBC International Pete and Tweet next, so stay tuned.